Hey guys, Jonathan with Motivx Tools here. Hope you are having a good day. Today we have two super exciting things happening, and well, hopefully they will be happening. One is that we're getting new equipment delivered into the shop. This is something we've been waiting on for a while now. Super excited to get it in. Unfortunately, it was supposed to show up yesterday and it didn't, so hopefully today is the day. So that's pretty exciting, that's the main thing, but while we wait for that to show up, we've got another piece of equipment that came in, and this, I have no idea if this is going to work or not, but we're going to try and set it up. And it's something called Octoprint, and it's basically software that allows you to control your 3D printer without using an SD card to take stuff back and forth. And then we're also going to try and bolt on a plugin called Octolapse, which will help us take these cool time lapses where you can move the print head out of the way and make it seem like your print is like growing out of nothing. That's about all I know about it, and we're just going to try and see if we can get that set up today while we wait for this new equipment to come in. Okay, so we just got news that the machinery is on its way today. We just got finished with the prints, so now I'm going to start trying to hook up the Octoprint through the Raspberry Pi. Let's see what happens.
It's a lady. And plier. Woo!
Yeah, fire it up. Plug it in. Fire it up.
Okay, so here's where we ended up for the day. We got basically one out of two things accomplished. We did get the laser in. We are actually just gathering up a computer terminal and some extra ducting and that kind of stuff just to get it all set up and going. But the really nice thing about these Epilog lasers is that they're pretty easy to get up and running. It doesn't take that much to actually start etching and playing around with them. So in the next couple weeks, we're going to just start seeing what we can etch, what we can print, what we can cut with the laser. On the other hand, while we were waiting for it to show up, I tried to hook up the Octolapse / Octoprint plugin with our new Raspberry Pi. We had the 3B Plus version, and it didn't turn out to be as simple as I had hoped. I can't find anyone else who has actually used a Raspberry Pi with a Fusion 3 410 printer, because they typically don't give you that USB interface. We did end up taking apart the panel, finding a USB interface that was micro USB. I can connect over Wi-Fi, but just through my mobile phone, and so that's kind of where things sit right now. We had to print something else, so I pulled it all apart. We're going to try that again tomorrow and see where it can get, but we made progress. It is working-ish, sort of, but I didn't even get to setting up Octoprint itself. And so we'll have to save that for tomorrow. But overall, pretty exciting getting the laser in the shop. As always, if you like this and want to follow along behind the scenes of Motivx tools, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and of course at motivxtools.com. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in part 2, where hopefully we make a little bit more progress and can show you some of the cool stuff that we are actually printing and etching.